Hi, first graders. This week we're going to learn about a few more vowel teams. The vowel teams this week we'll be working on are AI and AY. Both of these vowel teams make the long A sound. Long A says A. Remember, when we see these two vowels together, they work as a team and they say the first sound. AI says A, like in rain. AY says A, like in play. We usually see AI, we're going to see in the middle of a syllable or word, and AY we see at the end of a syllable or word, like in the word play. Some other words I could write here, I could write day. I could change the beginning sound to S and have say. I could write stay. Over here, I could think about some other words like rain. I could put pain. Okay, I could change the beginning sound to br. Now I have the word brain. We'll be working on these words all week. So now we actually know 4 ways to spell the long A sound. Remember, A says A magic E says I says A, and AY says A. Then I go back and I put a line over each of the A's to remind myself that that is going to make the long A sound.